UnitedAirlines.com to enroll. During our flight today, our flight attendants will be serving and selling a variety of food and beverage items. Located in the seat pocket in front of you is your in-flight service guide that gives you a more complete description of what our flight attendants will be serving and selling. We do not have fresh food on board this aircraft, but we do have 3 different types of snack boxes and a la carte. If you'd like to purchase any of the food or alcoholic beverages, you may do so using major credit or debit cards. All other beverages are complimentary. Also located in the in-flight service guide are instructions for using the Wi-Fi on board this aircraft, as well as your personal electronic device. Due to United's enhanced security policy, we do ask that you use the lavatories in your ticketing cabin. For the passengers seated in the main cabin, that is row 7 on back, you have 2 lavatories located in the back section of the aircraft. For the passengers seated in first class, we have 1 lavatory located forward next to the flight deck door. We thank you all for adhering to this security policy. It is a pleasure to serve you today. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight to San Francisco.